Okay, for the introduction is the Smart Garage System Automatic Garage Door Operation with a password protected keypad, motorized door control, and a push button alternative. It enhances convenience, security, and safety by preventing unauthorized access and streamlining entry and exit process. Next is the reason to develop Smart Garage System. The first is prevent unauthorized access, and the second is automate garage operation. For the prevent unauthorized access is to enhance security by preventing unauthorized access through password protected entry. For the automate garage operation is to improve convenience by automating garage door operations, eliminating the need for manual handling. Okay, for the next is the flowchart. For the start, the process begin, and then next is initializing. This is the initializing access and preparing for further operation. And then for the prompt for the password, the system display password on an LCD screen and prompting the user to input a password. And when they enter the password, if the entered password is incorrect, the system display error on the LCD, and the process loop back to prompt for the password again. And if the entered password is correct, the system proceed. Next, garage door open. When the garage door open, the system display garage open on the LCD, and the DCC motor turns clockwise, opening the garage door. Okay, for the system check whether a specific switch has been pressed, it could be a signal for the door to close. If SW1 is not pressed, the system continues to check, and if SW1 is pressed, the process proceeds to close the door, and the DC motor turns counterclockwise to closing the garage door, and the system display garage closed on the LCD. And then, after the garage door is closed, the system resets and look back to the initialization step for the ready for a new cycle.
In this program, we will include the necessary header file for the hardware libraries such as the LCD, ADC, PWM, and the system, also the other file. In the global variable, we will use the unsigned char password as the store a predefined password for the comparison, and we also use the key-in command for the error to store user input. These are used for the password checking functionality. For the all port A, port B, port C, port D, dan port E, we will set all the port to the 0 for the safety, and for the trace B, we will use it as a input for this program, which is kami menggunakan keypad sebagai input untuk program kami. And for the PWM, ADC, and LCD, we was initialize it to use. After the coding was run, LCD akan memaparkan perkataan password dan user akan memasukkan password dengan menekan keypad. For the error accumulation, there are increment the error variable if any key doesn't match. If there is any error, the LCD display error and the LED sequence is executed as a visual indicator. If the password is incorrect, the LCD will display the word of error, and LED that connected to port RB and RE will blink for 5 times. If the password is incorrect, the LCD will display the word of error, and the LED that connected to port RB and RE will blink for 5 times in the sequence as a signal incorrect input, and the program will look to the top, back to the first word, which is the password. But if the error is equal to 0, the LCD will display the word that garage is open, which is the garage will open automatically when the DC motor berpusing melawan arah jam. selama 5 second dan berhenti. Setelah itu 7 segment akan menghitung selama 8 second untuk garage menutup secara automatik, dan setelah 8 second garage akan close and DC motor will rotate clockwise. But if the user want to close the garage manually, the coding will be when the SW1 equal to 0, which is the CD will display the garage close M, and the DC motor will rotate clockwise at the 5 second for the 5 second. Then the program will spread and loop on to the top.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatihah Ashikin binti Muhammad Fazil. My metric number is S66307. Today I'm going to talk about smart garage system. So the first thing first, you must power on the key. And here we have the LCD 7 segment, keypad, switch, motor and LED. For the first step, we need to enter the password. So the password is 66600. So the garage is open. The motor will rotate the counterclockwise, and the 7 segment will delay until 8 seconds to the garage close. So the motor will rotate clockwise. Next, for the manual close, we need to put the password. So the garage is open. Then we just press the switch. So the garage is closed. Next, if the user enter the incorrectly password, the LED will blink. That's all from me. Thank you.